Hi, I'm Eric, and today I want to talk about CG Boost Blender 2.8 Launchpad. This is an amazing course, and if you're wondering if it's still relevant to 2.82 Alpha, yes it is. I've got that version of Blender installed, and it works just exactly, almost exactly the same. There are some under the cover fixes and bugs they fixed, so don't worry about that. You can still absolutely divulge this course. This course is exactly what I needed, and it's exactly what I described in my learning strategy. It is a project-based, production-oriented course. I love this course because it's a very comprehensive and in-depth, basic, step-by-step course. The course is made with a lot of love and attention, and it covers basically everything you need to know. Your teacher, Zach Reinhardt, Mr. Zacharias Reinhardt, he explains things very well, and the lessons are really beautifully designed and well structured. The course is beautifully split up into production sections like modeling, lighting, rendering. Within those modules, you have beautifully well portioned bite-sized little lessons. You will learn everything from start to finish, even how to get inspiration for your concepts and how to come up with your concepts, which was a really nice touch. I haven't seen that much in any other courses. The price is $71. This is, in my opinion, for what you get, super cheap. I mean, Mr. Zacharias Reinhardt made this course super cheap. I mean, it's insane. So if you're watching this and you're thinking about getting this course, get it now. Because if Mr. Zach sees this, he's probably gonna up his prices. No, he's probably not gonna, but he should. He's not gonna, but he should. Anyway, course takes you through the basics of the interface, modeling, rendering, animation, lighting, your concept, particle system. The teacher, Zach, teaches you the basics of something, and then straight away you go together with him, you start working on that piece of your project. And after that, you go back to the basics of another piece of the project, and you start building that in your project again, which is a really nice way of doing this and keeping attention and keeping it, I mean, just really interesting. Really well done. The only con of CG Boost, not even the course, not even the Launchpad, but CG Boost in general, is that they don't have a lot of courses to offer you right now. In comparison to CG Cookie, which has a lot of content online, and CG Cookie also has a subscription-based model, which I really like. But like I said, Zach is probably working on that as we speak. So the only thing that I would like to see added in the course, if I'm being really nitpicky, is a texturing and rigging module. Just an idea here for Mr. Zach. If you would add a robotic arm to the car model with a logo, some kind of a logo texture, then you would cover these bases, and then the course would be like perfect. Texturing and rigging is just easily self-taught if you understand the basics, which you will after you finish this course. So it's not a problem, it's just a little piece that could be better, slightly, tiny bit, just, I mean. My opinion is that this course is as close to perfect as you can almost get it. If I would recommend one course to a beginner, it would definitely be, without a doubt, this course. And even though it's paid, there are good free tutorials online or courses, but I would always take if you're serious about this, I would always take a paid course instead of a free one, just because of the things I told you. Myself, I did the Launchpad, of course, otherwise I couldn't be speaking about it. Before I started, I didn't know anything about Blender. Granted, I do have background in CG, of course, but I didn't know anything about Blender. I was just a Blender noob, and now I'm definitely very confident I can take on projects and do whatever I want with Blender. I'm going to show you my video I came up with, my end result for the course, and here it is. Okay, so I hope you like that. Let me know what you thought of that video in the descriptions. That's it for this video. I hope you got something from this video. If you got something from this video, consider subscribing, consider liking, consider commenting, consider unliking, doing none of everything I said or doing all the things. It's your life. Do whatever you want. I'm gonna see you next week because there's a lot more coming. I love you. Goodbye bye.